Dewey's Learning Lab.
Welcome to a special episode of Doc Dewey's Learning Lab. Usually I am Doc Dewey, genius scientist. However, today I am Doc Dewey, a beach bum. But science doesn't take a vacation. That is why I have my lab assistant, Stephen Bonaparte, searching for seashells on the seashore.
Well, hello there.
Stephen, we're using our vacation voices. Quiet, relaxed, and soothing.
Oh, sorry, Doc.
Oh, no worries, Stephen. Just keep collecting those shells and watch out for seagulls. For some reason, they really do not like you. They really don't. As for the rest of us, maybe we can participate in some beach-inspired science activities.
Today's lesson.
Oh, have you ever listened to the inside of a seashell? If so, what did you hear? The rolling roar of waves? The whooshing of wind? Ever wondered why you can hear the sounds of the ocean from a seashell? Well, sound is a curious thing and has peculiar characteristics. Some of the things we'll talk about today. What is sound? How is sound made? And why do the inside of seashells sound like the ocean when you put one close to your ear and listen? But I guess you'll have to listen carefully to find out.
Good vibrations.
Steve, you'll never guess this one. What lies at the bottom of an ocean and twitches?
A nervous wreck?
Lucky guess. Lucky guess. What is sound, you may ask? Sound is simply vibrations. For example, listen to what happens when I hit this tuning fork. So you heard the vibrations, but did you see them? Probably not. But watch what happens when we put the tuning fork in water after hitting it.
Oh!
Did you see the water shake? Did you see the ripples and waves? It wasn't a lot, but it was there. This vibration is what eventually reaches our ears and where our brains interpret it as sounds we are used to hearing. But how does it get to our ears? That's the question.
Catching waves. What did the ocean say to the shore?
Maybe, in a while, crocodile. Because crocodiles are native to saltwater environments.
Nothing. It just waved. It just waved.
Oh, I get it. Speaking of waves, sound waves are how sound reaches our ears. Look at this little demonstration as an example. The speaker vibrates to make certain sounds, which vibrates the air around it, causing the sand to dance. Amazing! You see, when something vibrates, its molecules move and shake back and forth, bumping into each other, causing them to vibrate as well, which causes a chain reaction of molecules to vibrate and bump into each other. Usually, the molecules that are being vibrated are too small for us to see. But if we could see them, it would look a little something like this. These sounds can travel through the air approximately 1 mile in about 5 seconds. Even faster if through water or certain solids. Once it reaches your ears, it vibrates that too, sending those vibrations to the brain as tiny electrical signals that the brain then interprets as the sounds we hear as speech, music, and other noises. But what does that have to do with seashells?
Ocean sounds.
Steve, why do crabs never share?
Because they're shellfish?
Yes. Well, I was gonna say because they're crabby, but that works too.
Oh, Doc, stick to the science.
Anyways, shells. Shells, right. Why do we hear ocean noises when we listen to a seashell? Well, it's not actually ocean noises. It just sounds like ocean noises. Unless you're at the ocean, then it might be ocean noises.
Oh.
But what you're really hearing is all the sounds around you bouncing off the insides of the smooth, hard interior of the seashell, reflected back at you all at once. This causes you to hear a noise that resembles static, the ocean, or even wind, depending on how it sounds to you. And since sound can normally travel 1 mile in approximately 5 seconds, you could possibly be hearing noises from miles away.
Closing thoughts.
Well, that is all the time Beach Bum Dewey has for today. The rest of the day is for cold drinks, warm sands, and lots of naps. And maybe later I'll get the metal detector out and see what things lost to the sands of time might turn up. Anyways, until next time, keep observing, keep asking questions, and keep learning.